Hey guys, decided this morning we're gonna head up to Carter's Lake and do a little bit of hiking. Later this summer when it warms up, I think I'm gonna try to come up here and do a kayaking trip. And I know they got some boating, hiking, camp spots, so I figured today would be a good chance to come up here and see where them are and just enjoy the day. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and we'll talk to y'all in just a little bit. As you guys can tell, we have made it up here. We are starting our hike. If y'all know any good hikes around North Georgia, let me know. Kind of looking to get back in to it. I know it's been a little while since I've hiked, so hopefully I can start getting back out here and enjoying it. You know, this is sometimes just the best thing to do in life, is just get out and get away. All you see on the news today is people causing riots because of Trump being president. Let's think about that. He's our president. And yes, I voted for him. I like Trump. I didn't like Obama. But did my life really change whenever Obama got into presidency? No, not really. I did the right thing. I lived my life right. He didn't affect me one bit, really. So is Trump gonna affect people's lives if they do the right thing? Nope. They come here legally, which is the right thing. He ain't gonna affect their life. It's that simple. Go on now. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a hunting blind down there. That's the reason I kind of stopped talking. As we have made it to the lake. It's a little bit foggy this morning, but man, still nice to be out. Yeah, guys, these trails have been calling my name. I need to get out here more and enjoy life. It's a good way to relieve stress by getting out here and get away from it all. I think that's what we all need in our life, really. Just a little bit of stress relief. Something to make us happy. And this might not be it for you. But everybody needs to find that one thing that just relieves their stress, makes them happy. Without happiness in your life, you ain't got nothing. I mean, my daughter, she's got my heart. She makes me happy. But since she started school, I've sat around and done much of nothing. And that's kind of crazy. I should have been out here getting motivated, getting energized, because this is what this does. I mean, it's amazing how you come out here and just get renewed, refreshed. Guys, I'm telling you, this is just beautiful right here. And I hope I got that on video of where that deer was. Tell me that ain't beautiful. Alright, we have made it to the boat in, hike-in camping area. You can see some of the little camping spots right over there, right here. Hey guys, man, it is beautiful back in here. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. I'm gonna sit down and I think I'm gonna cook some food real quick. But I'm telling you, it is absolutely beautiful back in here. Well guys, we're taking a few minutes right now just to cook us some food. I'm gonna eat me some biscuits and gravy by Mountain House. Drink me some coffee. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, and any comments, suggestions would be appreciated too. I hope y'all have enjoyed the trip. I've tried to give you a couple of good views and everything. I ain't the only one out here today, as you can tell. There's some people out there fishing. But thanks guys. And I'll talk to y'all in just a little bit. So guys, we finished up our breakfast. It is 10:30 and we're fixing to head back out. Look at that. Just look at that. How pretty that is. You see that? That's beautiful. Yeah. Guys, I just want to take a minute and say thank you for coming along on my trip. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it, guys.